There you go. We are live. We are live. Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Oh,
Hello. Hello, everyone. Tonight, let's talk about something powerful that's helping many of us work smarter. Automation system, simply put, it's a tool that works for you even when you're sleeping or busy. It's help you reply ayan, to people, share information, and even follow up with interested clients automatically so you don't have to do everything by yourself. That's why I love this business and give me more time for my family and peace of mind. So, my name is Mona Lisa Nases. Ayan. And currently living here in Spain. I am a mom, wife, and of course, a proudly digital business owner. And welcome to Bloom Shine. Another episode po. Hello. And
Hello,
so, take it
hello.
away, Coach.
Magandang gabi po. Good morning, good afternoon everywhere around the world. This is Coach Daphne coming to you live here in Texas, USA. Time check, 8:27 p.m. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. We're so blessed that tonight is the night that our business partner all the way from Spain is hosting our Bloom Shine live series tonight. And we're so excited for her. I know she will really do well in here. And I'm an online business owner, a coach. My background, I'm a wife, an eldest daughter. By profession, ako po isang physical therapist dito po sa Texas, USA. So, take it away, Brother Wells.
hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Actually, good morning. Nandito po ako sa Philippines ngayon. Time check is 9:28 a.m. Kaya naman pala last week late ako. Akala ko 10 o'clock umpisa. 9 o'clock pala dapat. So anyways, yeah, actually my name is Wells Garcia, and I'm actually dad, um, a Christian, a husband, of course, and uh, a digital business owner. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Pilipinas. Obviously, to Pilipinas, nandito po ako ngayon sa Pasig, Laguna. Nandito ako sa Pasig. So, I'm just so excited. I've been busy here, but I'm excited to see what I have read sa aming Bloomshine team. Karoon kami ng pagkakataon na makapag-share uli about what about the seven powerful whatever it is. So, or seven powerful strategies or helpful tips about the online business. So, with that said, stay tuned po at maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Take it away, Sis Marites.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya Brother Well. So, nakalimutan ko palang stream ito live natin. So, share ko na lang later. Warm greetings po sa lahat. Kamusta po? And happy Monday once again. Nandito naman po kami para mag-share po ng aming pong mga personal story para makilala pa po nyo kami lubusan. And sana, sabi ko, lagi kong sinasabi, wag po kayong mapapagod na panoorin kami every Monday. So, stay tuned lang po at bubusugin namin kayo ngayong gabi ng karagdagang information about our business. So, sa hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ako po si Marites Lucas Raimundo, born and raised in the Philippines, napikpiklan nga Ilocana, imbaga bigas, aldaw, kitrapi, kada kayo amin na awan labasan. So, I am currently residing here in Illinois with my family. I am a wife, a mom of 3 amazing grown-up children. I am a passionate private caregiver and a proud digital business owner. So, thank you. And take it away, sis Ivy.
Good evening, everybody from Texas, USA. My name is Ivy Joy Celestino. I am a mom of two boys, and I'm off for tonight as a critical care registered nurse. So I'm happy to be with Bloomshine team as always, and every Monday. Be with us tonight as we discuss an important topic: why we are still convincing you to be one of us. Um, and why we are in this business and the reason behind it. So, stay tuned. Tita Mulet.
Hi everyone. Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa inyo pong lahat. Si Mulat Aranza po ako and I'm from Virginia, USA. Dito po sa East Coast and time check here po is 9:31 in the evening. And I'm also originally from the Philippines. Sa keng Pampanga ko po, Kapampangan ko po. Kamusta ko po Ken? And I'm also a semi-retired nurse turned digital businesses owner. And I'm so glad to be here with our amazing Bloomshine team tonight. So every time we go live, I'm reminded of how beautiful it is to grow together, support one another, and show others what's possible, even if you're starting with zero experience like I did. If you're watching us for the first time, stay tuned. Kasi ang dami po naming real gems tonight. And if anything resonates, feel free to comment or reach out. We're here to share and shine together with the whole team. Thank you po.
Ayan. So, let's add
Po.
this one.
How's everybody doing? This is Maita Castillo, tubo pong Taal, Batangas. And now I'm based here at Henderson, Nevada with my two boys and my husband. Ang background ko po is in graphic design and now I am running multiple home-based business. At isa po dyan ay ang ating digital marketing business. And I'm also a business mentor. Welcome po sa inyong lahat and please stay tuned until the end of our live session tonight.
Yan. Yes. Yan. So, let's start. But before let's go to our topic, we would like to acknowledge our viewers, of course. She is from Japan, no other than Kabsat, Virginia Ochimura. Ayan.
Hi.
She is from Japan. Yes. Thank you for watching. And of course, sa mga manonood po ng replay, just please comment po where are you tuned in, and we are very happy po to know na nanonood kayo po sa amin. And yun, let's start. So, our topic for today is about automation system, no? And how it works. So, we have 7 topics. So, the first one, we give it to Sis Marites. And Sis, the floor is yours.
Akala ko it's your time.
I will give it to you.
Alam ko, it's your time.
Tawad ko kayo.
Pwede din naman. It's your time to shine, of course. All of us.
Mo na talagang nagpapatawa talaga si Mona. Kaya ang title po ng aming topic for tonight is about why automation is great for your digital business. So, tanong ko lang po, sino po sa inyo, sa ating mga audience, followers, ang gustong magkaroon ng additional source of income? For sure po lahat tayo, di po ba? Gusto mo bang kumita ng hindi ka nakatali sa oras at lugar na kahit natutulog ka, may pumapasok pa rin na leads, inquiries, at sales? Pakinggan po ninyo at panoorin ang aming topic ngayon dahil malalaman po ninyo ang sikreto ng mga taong katulad namin na may time freedom at patuloy pa rin kumikita. So, Let me share with you kung paano ito naging possible. Dahil ito po sa aming automated digital business. Paano ka kumikita kahit natutulog ka? Ito ang tinatawag na power ng automated digital business. Reason number 1, you earn even while you sleep. So, sa traditional na business, kailangan mo physically present ka para kumita. Magbubukas ka ng tindahan, magbebenta, mag-a-assist ka sa customers. Pero sa digital business namin, ito po ay with automation. Ibang level siya. Imagine na lang po ito. Habang tulog ka sa gabi, may taong nasa ibang time zone na bumibisita sa website mo. Pinapanood nila ang video mo, binabasa ang email na automatic na sineset mo para doon mag-reply. At doon sila makakapag-decide kung gusto nilang sumali or mag-inquire. So, kahit wala kang ginagawa in real time, may system kang nagtatrabaho para sa iyo. Para kang may team ng basketball na hindi ka napapagod. Meron kang website parang tindahan na laging bukas, 24/7. Meron kang videos na ikaw na mismo nag-e-explain pero recorded na siya. Meron kang emails na automatic, nagpapadala ng follow-up at info. At meron ding payment system kahit wala ka, makakabayad pa rin sila. Kaya tinatawag siyang earn while you sleep. Kasi literal na tulog ka pero may pumapasok na sales, leads o inquiries. At take note po, may bonus pa. May time ka for yourself at sa family mo. Less stress kahit hindi mo kailangan bantayan lahat manually. Mas marami kang naaabot na tao kahit saan sila sa mundo. Ganito po kaganda ang automation. You gain time freedom plus income flow ng sapat. And may add ko lang po, it's not only when you're sleeping. Kasi yun yung topic ko when you're sleeping. But even when you're on vacation with your family or when you're attending milestone or events of your loved ones. So, ganyan po ka-powerful ang aming automated system ng aming pong online business. You don't need to soak yourself online the whole day because we have our automated system that does the heavy lifting working for us. So, imagine, mas maraming oras para sa pamilya at sa sarili mo, pero tuloy pa rin ang income flow. So, if you are curious to learn more at malalaman mo kung paano rin ito masisimulan, you need to hear more from my fellow Bloomshine team. So, take it away, Coach Daphne. That's only my explanation about our digital business, paano kumita habang natutulog ka.
Oh, yan.
Okay.
Very nice, very nice. Okay.
Okay. So, Coach, wait. So, may add ko lang isasummarize ko na lang kundi yung kay Sis Marites. But thank you, Sis Marites. Truly, that's the beauty of automation. We can rest while system works for us. Natutulog ka na, may income ka pa. So, inspiring, guys. So, take it away, Coach Daphne.
Ayan, it's my turn. Ayan, thank you. Mas maganda talaga pag hindi ako ang nag-host. Ayan. Alright, so ang topic ko po ngayon is because of the automation, I can save time and energy as well because of the automated digital business. Ayan, magbibigay po ako ng 3 insights. I used to spend so much time explaining the same thing to different people. Pero dahil as a physical therapist, I didn't have the hours to keep repeating how the business works, di ba? Now, kasi sa automation, I can share the link, the video, and the system does the talking for me. Ayan. Clear, simple, and consistent. That alone saves me so much time. So yun ang di ba po ba pagka nagsa-sign in kayo sa mga website, you will receive po automated may mga emails, ganyan, automatic. Even though if different time zone, different countries, and you got interested of what we're doing. So, ayan. Kung ikaw, kahit iba tayo ng time zone, because the automation, the business still works because of that automated function. Number two, kasi time, di ba? Time is always precious. It respects other people's time as well. So let's be real. Hindi lahat ng tao available anumang oras, di ba? 24/7 na gustong mong kausapin. Kunyari, midnight na dito tapos tanghali naman sa ibang bansa, right? So hindi nagja-jive, tulog ako, ganyan. So pag merong mga inquiries, may mga merong gustong tumingin ng business, ayan, automation. Pupunta lang sila sa website and put their name and email, then they're able to access yung complimentary webinar that tells us about the overview of the business. With automation, they can watch, learn, and decide at their own pace. Ayan, wala namang pressure, di ba? Or follow up agad. That's the beauty about our online business. In reality, there's no pushy salesperson, ayan, mangungulit sa'yo araw-araw, ganyan. I let the system do the things while I focus naman on what matters the most, which is my time with my family, self-care, walking my puppy, playing with them, actually really working on my other important stuff in life and in my business as well. Number 3 po, more energy for what truly matters, di ba? I can exercise. Running a business and working full-time is no joke, syempre, no? Pero doable sa business na to. Bakit kanyo? Ang automation po kasi help me preserve my energy instead of spending all of it explaining and replying. I now use the time to take care of myself, spend time with the loved ones, and mentor my team, my time, my block time for my team, so that I can be of value to them. So, I get it. Busy kayo. Busy lahat, di ba? Your plate is so much, with so many things in the world, full siya. But, if you're still here listening, maybe sign yan to explore for more. Check mo itong automation na to. Ito makakatulong. Big stuff ito. Not for pressure, but for possibility. Ayan. Salamat po. Yun po ang aking topic tonight.
Ayan. Very well said, Coach. Ayan. No joke, no joke. Alam po natin na time is priceless. And time is gold, of course. And automation help us to protect our energy and use our time wisely. This business is perfect for busy moms and professional like Coach Daphne. So we are going to Tita Molet. It's your turn, Tita.
Okay, it's my turn. Now, I'm gonna be, ano ba pag-uusapan ko? I'm gonna be talking about professional and consistent, okay, for our automation talk. I'm gonna be talking about your automated system presents your business in a clear, professional way every single time. It builds trust and gives a good first impression to people checking out your business. So this is ito total game changer sa digital business. So automation. So now I know that it may sound like techie word, no, yung automation, but let me tell you, it's one of the most powerful tools we have, especially when it comes to staying professional and consistent. And consistency, that's where the magic happens. Let's be real, life gets busy, always anyway. I work part-time as a nurse, and we care for our grandkids during the week, me and my husband, and we're growing this digital business together. If I had to manually reply to every message, send every email, or follow up with every lead at the perfect time, I'd drop the ball. Not because I don't care, but because I'm human. And that's where automation steps in like a superhero. Your automated system presents your business in a clear, professional way every single time. And for those who have, yung mga nakaka-receive po ng mga email namin, you know what I'm talking about, right? It's consistent, it's smooth, it gives every lead the same great experience, even if it's 2 in the morning. It's like your digital business is always wearing its best outfit professionally, giving the best first impression. And that builds trust. And when people see that everything flows well, the website, the emails, the follow up, they feel more confident that this is something legit and worth checking out. And that's actually why the messages after that, from the messaging that we've been receiving or I've been receiving, checks that out. I remember one person who reached out and said, "Wow, I loved how everything was laid out after I registered. It felt like you were talking directly to me." Guess what? That was the automation working behind the scenes, doing its thing while I was doing my thing, like taking care of my family. Some people think automation takes the personal out of business, but that's not true. Because sometimes I get that feedback too. But then when I explain them, and then they kind of like, "Oh, okay, I get it." So it actually gives us more time and energy to show up in the ways that matters most. Doing lives like this, answering real questions, and building real relationships. And it frees us from doing the repetitive stuff over and over so we can stay present, creative, and energized. And if you're watching and thinking, "I'm not tech savvy," don't worry, I wasn't either at first. But we've got a step by step system, amazing training, and a community like our Bloomshine family that helps you set it up. You don't have to do it all. Let the automation do the heavy lifting so you can stay consistent, professional, and focused on sharing your story and helping others. So if you've been trying to grow something but keep losing momentum or feel like you're starting over every week, automation might be the missing piece. It's not about doing more, it's about working smarter. And even not only from our emails and other things, even for our social media, sa mga Facebook po, sa mga lahat ng mga ibang social medias, there's a lot of automations that's going on. Okay? Drop in a light bulb in the chat if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to do everything manually. And if you want to learn how automation could help you stay consistent and level up your business, message us after this live and we'll point you in the right direction. Yun lang po sa akin. Salamat po.
Thank you, Tita. Tita Molet. Ayan. And that's so true, Tita. Automation makes our business look professional and consistent. And kahit napaka-busy natin, ganyan kagaling po, 'di ba? Ang automation, napaka-smart. Ginagawa niyang madalian ang trabaho natin. And hindi lang 'yan, gumagalaw siya as professional. So, let's go to number 4. It's your turn, Bro Wells. From Philippines ngayon, but he living in USA. Tamang-tama yung
Okay,
yung topic mo.
yes, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Wells again. I will be talking about the fourth one is you can focus on what matters most. At sa katulad nga po ng sabi ni Sis Mona, katulad ng sitwasyon ko ngayon na I've been busy with a lot of things, but because of this automation, I'm still my business still running. So, kung uh, kung ang isa sa pinakamagandang benefit ng pagkakaroon ng maayos na system ay hindi mo na kailangang alalahanin lahat ng maliliit na mga bagay. Since gumagana yung system para sa'yo, whether it's automating task, organizing your workflow, or reminding you of deadlines, you are free to focus on what really matters. Yes. So, for example
Mm.
po, kung nagtatrabaho ka, ganyan, instead na lagi mong iniisip yung mga admin tasks tulad ng mga follow-ups, schedules, o reports, nakaset na siya sa system mo. So you can focus on strategy, client work, and team leadership. Kung may pamilya ka naman, mas kaya mong maglaan ng time for them kasi hindi ka na overloaded sa mga paulit-ulit na mga bagay na pwedeng i-automate o kaya i-delegate. So, o kaya kung let's say, or maybe if self-care ang priority mo sa ngayon, halimbawa, mas madali ka nang makapagpapahinga or mag-recharge kasi hindi ka na magmamadali, hindi ka magka-cram araw-araw. So para sa mga estudyante naman, sa mga students or startup teams, imagine kung nakaset na lahat ng tools nyo. Yung Google Calendar, reminders, task management, Notion or Trello, kung ginagamit niyo po yan. At auto responses sa mga emails, you spend less time fixing chaos and more time building real progress. So, in short, hindi mo na kailangang i-micromanage ang bawat detalye. Mas mapapansin mong mas kalmado ka pati, mas productive at saka mas uh, um, may direction ang mga ginagawa mo. Kasi you're now focusing on the things that truly move the needle in your life and your work. So, yun lang po ang sa akin. At magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Lahat po ng itong sinasabi ko, applicable. Lalo na ngayong ako'y nandito sa Philippines, I've been taking care of some important things. So,
Ayun. Thank you, Ruels. So, yun ba? Such a beautiful reminders from Bro Wells na ang automation talaga is allow us to focus on what truly matters, like family. Yan, number 1 yan. So, health, di ba? And personal growth. Ayan pa. And thank you, Bruels, for highlighting that with us. So, now it's my turn. Number 5. So, my topic is help you grow faster. Ayan. So, bibigyan ko na lang po kayo ng isang scenario. So, ang magiging protagonist po dito is ako, of course. So, ano pa to? Ako po ay nagtatrabaho sa hotel. So, it's long hour every day. So, mayroon akong automation system na gumagalaw para sa akin sa business ko. So, ang example nito ay mayroong nakakita sa ad ko, pwedeng sa YouTube, pwedeng sa Facebook, o pwedeng sa Reels, o iba pa. So, gumagalaw siya sa pamamaraan ng kahit napaka-busy ko, kahit nasa work ako, kahit naka-offline ako, yung nag-registered at nag-sign doon sa website ko, makakatanggap sila kaagad-agad ng email and video to know how about this online business. So, lagi siyang naka-go. Lagi siyang, yung automation system na yan, lagi siyang gising. Hindi yan natutulog. Kahit matulog ka, kahit nasa trabaho ka, siya laging gising. Ayun. So, nagiging faster yung pag-grow natin kasi at kapag yung taong nag-registered at nag-sign up, napapanood na yung mga bagay na gusto na nilang malaman about sa business natin. And makaka-forward na sila sa next step, which is yun na nga, kung magko-coaching call na ba sila or gusto ba nilang magbayad ng 149 like that. So napaka faster po ng pag-grow ng business automation business natin, no? So yun ganun lang kasimple guys na tumutulong yung automation built-in system para mas mabilis tayong mag-grow. Ginagawang automatic yun ng paulit-ulit. Mag-registered ka, may magfo-forward sa'yo sa email mo, may magfo-forward sa'yo ng video. Ganun yung paulit-ulit na ginagawa ng automation system. Kaya mas mabilis tayong mag-grow dito sa business na ginagamit ang automation system. So, ito lang po yung napakasimpleng pagkakaintindi ko, humble na leverage ko po sa kung paano mag-grow dito sa automation ng ating business dito sa automation system na to. So, yun lang po. It's your turn, Sis Ivy? Yes. Thank you pa.
Okay, so my subtopic for you under the automation is you don't need to be a tech expert or tech savvy. Even if you're not good with technology, automation tools are user friendly and already set up for you. You just plug into the system, follow the steps, and let it do the hard work. One of the biggest misconception is that you need to be a tech expert to start an online business, but the truth is you don't. Here's why. Plug and play. So our system is plug and play. It has been already set up, done for you. You're given step-by-step tutorials, templates, and tools. If you can follow instructions, you can build this. Even maybe a grade school student could do it with kids having advanced thinking, advanced in technology right now. Even a kid could start if only this business has no age limit. The kids can start this business. There is a mentorship and community. So you're not doing this alone. There is support from coaches and peers in the community where you are, and they'll guide you every step. So any questions about technology updates and everything, and updates right now are really fast, are rolling fast. If you're not updated, then the other person within your team can help you with that one. It uses user friendly platforms. Many of the platforms today are designed to be simple, mobile friendly, and beginner proof. So no coding, no designing, no guesswork. Like, think of it like driving a car. You don't need to be a mechanic to drive it. You just need to know how to use the wheel, follow the rules, and stay within your lane. It's the same with an automated digital business. This is also applicable with me because when I was in college as a Generation X, I have skipped computer classes. So during those times, of course, way back in the Philippines during college days, we're still on the big monitor of computers. So we're still starting to learn what are these shortcuts of how to do it on the screen or in the computer. So ako bulak-bol ako. So I don't know about that. So starting this business, I need to start and know the basics of having the computer. If you know the basics of using the computer, then you're good to go with this one. With We used to think that we need to be good with social media or sales to start this online business, but this automated system will guide us step by step. And just like any one of us here, um, we still work full time, but this business runs even when you can't. It's like having a silent partner working behind the scenes for you. So that's how automation is, and with the help of technology. Thank you.
Yes. Ayan. Thank you, Sis Ivy. So, this is encouraging, guys, no? Lalo na sa mga katulad ko din na hindi tech-savvy talaga. The system is user-friendly. Napakabait niya talaga. Napakabait, pwede mo siyang kaibiganin, no? So, tapos, napakadali pang i-follow yung mga step na ibibigay sa'yo. So, lahat po kayo, welcome dito sa business na ito. Lahat po pwede. Ayan. Marami tayong natutunan. Busy, napakadaling step by step, yung automation na ang gagalaw para sa atin. So, welcome po kayong lahat. Welcome. So, Coach, it's your turn
For our
with
digital business.
Sis
So the
Maita.
power of the internet and the automation, right? It gives us peace of mind. You know, guys, once na set up na natin yung ating campaign or yung ating mga content on our social media, meron na tayong peace of mind that our business will be running kahit na busy pa tayo or may sakit tayo or nasa bakasyon tayo, di ba? Kasi hindi natin sila kailangan tutukan. You could just spend a few hours, few minutes to check your business, pero hindi po natin siya kailangan tutukan. So, yung automation system po will generate us leads, and we also have an automation email marketing that would answer the and welcoming our future business partners. So, katulad ko po ngayon, kaya po wala ako today. Naimbitahan po ako for dinner with my family. Hindi ko naman mahindian because we're having Jollibees. Gusto ng mga anak ko po yung Jollibee. So, you know, we're not trading the time because of this automation system. I could attend to my family without worrying. It give me peace of mind na kahit po wala ako ay ma-deliver ko ang message na gusto kong iparating sa inyo, and I'm still showing up for my business. So I hope that helps you decide that this business is really working and proven. So that's all for me. Thank you, guys.
Ayun. We miss you, Sis Maita. Ayan. So, nakita po natin na si Sis Maita wala sa atin, but sabi nga niya, mayroon siyang peace of mind. Kasi kahit na, yun, kahit nasa labas siya, napaka-importante po kasi ang automation. Kasi automation give us that quiet confidence, na everything is running smoothly and powerful. Ayan. So guys, hope nagustuhan nyo tong topic namin today, and I would like to to give the floor to Coach Daphne, of course, to give us the last words for our topic for today. So it's your time to shine, Coach.
Ako yung host ang maglalas. But, guys, you see the power of automation, di ba? the power of automation talaga. You've learned a lot from everyone na for us na busy at work, right? Or busy at home, automation really works. Kaya it's possible ng mga ginagawa namin. We're doing the business alongside with our family or full-time job because of the power of automation. Yan. So, we love it and we're so fortunate that we have this system in place. Why our online business is about more than 7 years na in the business and still getting stronger. Yan because of the system. One of them is the system in place, which is the automated system. Ayan. So kung kayo po ay busy people, busy immigrant or busy professionals like us, who wants to have more time with their family or create more moments and memories with your family or just have something for yourself, and automation is your answer. But if you want to, you still want to earn extra income online, this is not a job, but another side hustle, a plan B that could be a plan A. Check it out, okay? Because as ano nga, take the only thing that would start working on your goal is taking action. So don't waste your time just absorbing all the information and not taking action. Always step forward and see what's on the other side and see for yourself, do your due diligence and research if this is for you. Kaya po, ng mga nakikinig dyan, and I know you have so many things on your plate, but if you're still here listening, continue to listen and see, come across this live interview, and you feel in yourself that ito na yung calling nyo, that like that gut feeling, check it out. It's not something that you just disregard. Always check it out and see for yourself. No pressure. All we share is possibilities that may benefit for you. Because if it's possible for us, it's also possible for you. So marami pong salamat. Thank you. And until next week, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Bye-bye po. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Ayun.